Welcome to everybody. Today we shall read that is adverbs, formation, position, and degrees of comparison. Firstly, by adding ly to the adjectives. Okay, polite adjective, quick, careful, clever. We add ly to form an adverb. Politely, actively, quickly, carefully, cleverly. Okay. But there are some focus point. That there are some adjectives which end in ly. Lovely, friendly, silly, sickly, motherly, elderly, womanly, lively, fatherly. These are the adjectives ending ly. We do not add another ly to form an adverb. Okay, that is focus point. Part 2. By changing y to ILY. Easily, y changes into I. Okay. Heavy, heavily, y changes into ly, ILY. Okay. Happy, happily, busy, busily. So preceded by the consonant S, V, P, S. Okay. By changing y to ly, that is preceded by consonant and changes into ILY. Okay. Next, by adding ALLY to the adjectives ending in IC. Okay. Basic, basically, tragic, tragically, automatic, automatically, but public, publicly. Publicly, not publicly. It is wrong. Publicly, not publicly. It is wrong. Okay. Point 4. The adjectives end le change e into y. For example, gently, le changes into ly. Single, singly, double, doubly. Point 5. Some adverbs have the same form as adjective and adverb. For example, adjective only, adverb only, little, early, late, fast, long, monthly, weekly, hard. Example, he works hard, adverb. Okay. He is a hard worker, adjective, hard. The market sells weekly, adverb. This is a weekly market, that is adjective. Okay. So same word used as an adjective and adverbs. 6. By joining an adjective and a noun. Adjective plus noun and changes into an adverb. Sometime, time hela noun, some hela adjective. Okay. Adjective plus noun. Time hela noun, mean hela adjective. While hela noun, mean hela adjective. Okay. Then point 7. By adding suffixes like word and wise. Okay. Class wise, clockwise, subject wise, length wise, village wise. Okay. Then are suffixes word, backward, forward, homeward, onward, inward. Okay. Example: the soldiers marched forward. Okay. Soldiers marched forward. The students returned homeward. Okay. These are the examples. Next. Point 8. By adding prefix a before the adjectives and a noun. For example, noun head, prefix a, it changes into an adverb. Field, noun, float, noun, shore, noun, prefix a, that is an adverb. Adjective, long adjective, loud adjective, phrase adjective, rude, broad adjective. Okay. Adding prefix a, it changes into an adverb. Okay. But question is that some adjectives are not adverb. For example, the lion is asleep. It is an adjective, not an adverb. Though there is prefix a before it. Okay. Similarly, elif, aqua, these are adjectives, not an adverb. Okay. Next, for 9, some adverbs are not derived from adjectives. They are independent words. For example, now, then, here, there, often, soon, to, just, yet, rather, always, very. These are the independent words that are not arrived from an adjectives. Okay. Point 10. Many of the adverbs are compounded with the preposition. Preposition, herewith, preposition, therefore, preposition, herein, preposition, whereof, preposition, thereby, preposition, on, preposition, to, preposition. So, many of the adverbs are compounded with the preposition. These are herewith preposition, adverb, therefrom adverb, herein adverb, with the preposition. Lastly, some adverb phrases go together in pairs joined by and. Again and again, adverb phrases joined by conjunction and. Okay. Far and near, now and then, here and there, to and fro, up and down, etc. Okay. Next, position of adverbs. Position of adverbs mainly depend on its uses of an adverb. Okay. There are 3 positions: front position, mid position, and end positions. Adverb comes at the beginning of sentence, at the middle of sentence, and also end of the sentence. Okay. Front position. Front position, sentence adverb and a time adverb mainly used at the front position. Okay. Sometimes frequency adverb and a manner adverb also used at the front position. For examples, perhaps he knows this answer. Adverb, that is, sentence adverb comes at the beginning of the sentence. Okay. How nicely she acts. Adverb, that is, sentence adverb comes at the front positions. Next, sometimes times and frequency adverb. Yesterday, Mr. Das met his friend in the market. Adverb, that is, time adverb, comes at the front position. Slowly I opened the door. That is, manner adverb, that is, manner adverb, comes at the front positions. Usually the teacher comes to class in time. Adverb, that is, frequency adverb, comes at the front positions. Okay. Next, mid position. Mainly mid position adverbs can go three different places in relation to verb. Okay. So when the main verb of the sentence is be verb. For example, she is really happy. Really adverb. Okay. Is be verb but act as a main verb. So it comes after be verb. When it acts as a main verb. I am be verb act as a main verb. Probably adverb. Okay. Then when a verb phrase may have two or more parts, adverb goes the first auxiliary. After first auxiliary. My Mr. Patna is always the auxiliary. The adverb goes after first auxiliary. We have never seen such a sight. Auxiliary have adverb. Okay. But question is that in case of manner or degree adverb, adverb comes after second auxiliary. Manner and degree. I have been patiently waiting for them. Have auxiliary, been auxiliary, patiently adverb. So after second auxiliary comes, that is manner adverb. In manner adverb comes at the second auxiliary. Then would auxiliary, have auxiliary, definitely adverb, auxiliary, auxiliary. Okay. So in a degree adverb comes after second auxiliary. Next. Mid position point 3. Adverb goes immediately before main verb. When there is main verb, adverb is used before main verb. I certainly feel better today. Feel, main verb. Certainly, adverb. Okay. She soon realized her mistake. Realized, main verb, and soon, adverb. Okay. So, mid position. End position. After an instantaneous verb, adverb is used at the end positions. She laughed heartily. Laughed, main verb and adverb. Okay. No direct object. No direct object. She wept bitterly. Main verb, bitterly adverb, no direct object. The students are reading happily. Are auxiliary verb, reading main verb, happily adverb, no direct object. Okay. Point 3. If the verb has a direct object, adverb goes after the object. Okay. After the object. He met him yesterday. Direct object him, yesterday la adverb. Children direct object, del la adverb. Okay. So if the verb has direct object, adverb goes after the object. After the direct object. Degrees of comparison of adverbs. 3 degrees: positive, comparative, superlative, like adjectives. Okay. Adverbs of one syllable take er in comparative and est in superlative. If one syllable, soon one syllable, near one syllable, first one syllable, at one syllable, soon, sooner, soonest, near, nearer, nearest, first, faster, fastest, hard, harder, hardest. Okay. Adverbs of 2 or more syllables. More and most is used. More is used in comparative degree and most is used in superlative degree. Slowly, more slowly. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Then some are irregular, comparative and superlative. Well, better, best, good, better, best, little less, least, much more, most. Okay. Those who are watching my videos, please not to forget subscribe, like, share, and comment it. Thanks to all.